I'll show you how to make an inaccessible PDF accessible. So first, note that I'm in Acrobat Pro and these instructions are specifically for the version DC. So things were different in previous versions. So make sure that you have this version. You can go to, actually it says About Pro DC right here, so you'll know that you have it. So the first thing is, I know this PDF is inaccessible because when I try to highlight text here, it doesn't snap to the words like it should. So afterwards I'll show you what it looks like when it is accessible. So if that's happening in your PDF, go to Tools, and then the easiest way to find this is just to search for the Action Wizard. They kind of hid that in this newer version, it seems. What you can do here too is I've already added it as a shortcut there. So if I scroll down here, you can see I have the Action Wizard over here, so it's very easily accessible to me. But if you've never used it, you have to search for it up here. So I'll open this and then choose Make Accessible on the right side here. Click the blue Start button. So the title, it is a good practice to use a title that's descriptive because screen readers will read this out loud to the student. So this one is fine, Joiner chapter 24, but maybe if you have like some weird numbers or letters, you might want to clean that up. I have left mine at the highest so far and it's worked out pretty well, so I'll just hit OK here. I do not have any form fields, or it's not a fillable form, so I'll skip this. Yes, it is English. So what I've noticed in some of the PDFs that I've made accessible, it finds things in here that it thinks are images, but actually aren't. So you just have to go through here and see if it really is finding an image or not. And if it does have an image, provide alternate text. So this is what the screen reader will describe to the student who is blind if necessary. And then here it gives you all the options for the additional accessibility features. So it's just out of your view, unfortunately, but I'm going to click the Start Checking button on the bottom right. And over here it'll tell you if you have any issues. So logical reading order is something that is occasionally a problem. So what this means is in some cases, instead of reading through one paragraph and down to the next, it may read across multiple columns. So I'll create another video on how to check that. So now if I highlight text in here, see how it highlights the words, it snaps to the words rather than just letting me highlight whatever. Now this means that an individual with a screen reader will be able to read it aloud.